Hello everyone. If you've been wondering how to make the text on Instagram bigger or smaller, you're in the right place. I'll show you step by step how to change the font size for Instagram using your device settings. First, go to your home screen. Now, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings or notification panel. Look for the small gear icon in the top right corner. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you are in the settings, at the top, you will see a search bar. Tap on that. Now you'll have to search for font size. From here, tap on the option that says Font Size. You should see a slider. This slider lets you make the text bigger or smaller. If you want to increase the font size, slide it to the right. If you want to make it smaller, slide it to the left. As you move the slider, you might see a preview showing how the text will look. Once you're happy with the font size, close the settings. This will save the changes and apply the new font size to your device, including apps like Instagram. Now open Instagram again from your home screen or app drawer. When the app opens, you should see that the font size has changed. Posts, comments, and menus will now appear in the new size that you selected. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font size for Instagram. If you ever want to adjust it again, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching.